Hello children, today we will write A to Z in cursive in notebook. First you write date, then heading A to Z. In line number 1 we will write heading, and in last box you write homework because you are doing this work at your home. After that we will start our work. Write A says A. A says A. We will touch the middle line, okay? Now, we will write B says B. B says B. Now, C says K. C says K. Okay? D says D. D says D. Now, E says A. E says A. Now F says F. F says F. G says G. G says G. H says H. H says H. Again children, H says H. I says E. I says E. J says J. J says J. K says K. K says K. L says L. L says L. M says M. M says M. N says O says O. O says O. P says P. P says P. Q says Q. Q says Q. R says R. S says S. T says T. T says T. U says A. V says V. V says V. W says V. W says V. X says X. Y says Y. Y says Y. Z says Z. Children, now you have learned how to write alphabets in notebook. All the letters will touch middle line in last C because they have to catch their new friend. So every alphabet will touch middle line in last. Okay children?